Come in! Hey, where's my stepson? Snoozing while his dad enjoys a bit of quality playtime. Watch this. Back off! Back off! Look, they changed direction. How good is that? Brilliant. Fancy a brew?
No, I'm not stopping. I just come to pick up the canoe, actually.
Canoe?
Yeah, you know the midlife crisis canoe? The canoe that you bought? The canoe.
What, why?
Just pick up the canoe, Marlon.
It's in the shed. What are you going to do with it?
I was thinking of nailing wings to it and flying it to Mars. What do you think?
You know, I fancy having a go myself. All them bulging biceps in the Olympics. Maybe me and Leo can come out your launcher.
I'll get it myself.
Straight back to school, you.
I came back from my footy boots.
Oh, it's the old man without the sea.
Have you tried stand up?
Things that bad, eh?
In what way?
Well, you're going to do a run, fake your own death and live in the attic.
It wasn't part of the plan, no.
Can I have a go?
No, you can't have a go. Unless you've asked your mum first and you've got a life jacket. And after I've had a little practice.
You know what to do you?
As Rachel will tell you, there's a first time for everything.
Whoa.
You both now.
Move. Move. Please move. Please move. Pants. Pee pants. What are you looking at?
A big bold loser.
Oh, Leo, there is magic in the world. Yes, there is. This is such a treat. Let's just put you safe. Oh. Are you having a bit of trouble?
No, get lost.
Really? Only to the unnautical eye, you look a bit stuck.
I'm not stuck. I like practicing pushing off.
Looks like you have to practice a bit better than that. What do you reckon, Leo?
Have you nothing better to do than go up?
Actually, I haven't. What you haven't worked out is that when I bought you that canoe, kayak, I bought it for a reason.
Yeah, to watch me drown.
It may have escaped your notice, okay, but that is a two-man boat, yeah? Like a tandem that floats on the water. And weirdly enough, I bought you a two-man boat so that we could paddle it together.
Well, that's not going to happen now, is it?
And you wonder why you're stuck up the creek without a paddle. Smile. Oh.
Right, you've had a good laugh. You can go now.
But I'm having so much fun.
Do you really find this funny?
Well, it's not exactly side-splitting, you know, more mildly amusing, vaguely entertaining.
Right. Keep laughing, then.
Paddy!
I'm sick of this! I'm sick of being in the way, and I'm sick of being fobbed off, and I'm sick of you making me into a sad joke.
Mate!
Don't you mate me! Just leave me here to drown. Anything. Just get out my sight.
Right, hang on in there! I'm coming in, Paddy!
Don't bother.
Oh. I'll be there in a minute, mate! Oh. Fancy a brew? Freezing in that water.
Should get straight off, really.
I made some shortbread.
Thank you.
Anything else you want to say to me, seeing as we're here?
Thank you very much for rescuing me. I'd have rescued myself, you know, eventually.
Any time. Anything else?
Anything else like what?
Well, it's a word that starts with S, ends in Y, and it's got an O and 2 R's in the middle.
Maybe that's something you might want to say to me.
Well, maybe it would be if you said it first.
Well, if I said it first, I'd probably be admitting that I was wrong.
Well, maybe it was your fault.
Anything.
Paddy.
I'll bring these back when I'm washed.
Oh, you haven't finished your brew.